हेलो व्यूअर्स, ये प्रोडक्ट है Ecolube ऑल पर्पस लुब्रिकेंट पेनिट्रेंट एंड corrosion प्रोटेक्टर. बेनिफिट: replace moisture and salt matter, penetrates and lubricates with accessories and online lubricants of integrated components, remove moisture from metal surface, clean metals by providing micron thin protective film to prevent rust and corrosion, long-term protection against salt water corrosion, clean away light soil, greases, adhesives, insulation of the electrician contact and point, prevent moisture induced short circuit, easy to apply. Application: protective coating for assembly and shipment, particularly effective on precious machine surface. Protective coating for store machinery, cutting tools, engine blocks, pistons, guides, chairs, bearing, wire ropes, etc. Final protective film for complete assembly, dark brown color. Thank you.